Does your hair look like this or this? And does your hair move like this or this? What keeps your hair from looking like the hair in commercials may not be what you think. It's not your color, your products, or your stylist's fault. It could be your water. That's right. The water most of us shower with every day is filled with chemicals and harsh minerals that lurk, attach, and build up on our hair. It hides your natural shine and can leave your hair looking and feeling aged, dull, dry, and lifeless. Now, from the mecca of health and wellness, Malibu, California, comes the hair secret that top hairstylists have been using for years to remedy the problems caused by our water to help restore your hair's natural beauty. Introducing the Malibu C Wellness Hair Care System, featuring the patented anti-aging wellness remedies that give you back control of your hair, uncovering better color, texture, shine, and movement for breathtaking results that turn heads guaranteed.